So there's a gun range over there.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
So that's why it's fenced off.
Yeah. Well, I am out in Page, Arizona. I'm just trying to get a feel for this terrain and see what it's all about. While out riding and practicing for the Grinding Stone, I tagged up with 3 other guys, Austin, Mark, and Matt. It was cool to get a quick rip in before the sunset and stretch out the body. Long drives kind of suck. Welcome to my home. The best in sleeper setups right here. I removed the passenger seat. I got my box with all my gear, and on top of the box with all the gear, got a piece of wood. Makes it nice and flat. Someone like me, 6'2", could stretch out and have a good night's sleep. There's 2 more days until the race. A bunch of the competitors are rolling in and they're all trying to get in some seat time. Jesus. Really? Matt over here, he had a little bit of a dilemma. He was out cruising and he got stuck on this side hill and it was super sketchy.
Then when do we start pulling or what?
You trust this rope?
No.
Can we grab that other end of the rope and then pull it down there? A nice pre-race team building exercise. Trust me, we'll be teaming up again later. Looks like it was fenced off.
Oh. This will be alright, maybe. Hopefully.
I'm sorry about that, sir. Buddy.
Somebody keeps tearing our fences down.
Oh, okay. I understand.
There's a gun range, an active one.
Okay, that's good to know. Yo. So I found out that past that fence over there is an active gun range.
Oh!
So, yeah. So there's a gun range over there.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
So that's why it's fenced off.
Yeah. Well, that didn't go how I thought it would. A tumble while I was practicing. Brake went up and hit over here in the case, and it's leaking. And take the cover off and see if I can seal it. Found out why it's leaking because there's actually a crack by the sight glass, so I'm gonna clean that and JB weld it. Huh. I'm lucky. So the race director lives real close by and he's got a welder, so I think his son is gonna help me out, James, I believe. So I'm in good hands there. RTV'd the pipe so it's not making a bunch of noise out of there, but he's really helpful. It's awesome. I got a full day to get the bike ready, so it's no big pressure. Scott, thank you. See, listen to that purr. Cool. So it's early, it's not bright, and today is race day. I am going to walk the course. And that side hill over there, at least for me, that's gonna be posing a bit of a challenge. Because I'm sure I've gone up stuff that's steeper than this, but when you walk it, you really feel the grade of it. A few months ago, I would not have even tried this. I figured a hard enduro would be a good baseline for my riding to see how much I suck and how much I can improve. There's our sunshine. It's gonna get warm quick.
Carnage from the race coming up soon. Make sure to click that subscribe button.